Hey, what's up guys, Vic Christoph here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video cameras on the new Samsung Galaxy A30. Starting with the regular camera, there's also an ultra wide angle camera on board, but we'll test this a little bit later. So first off, we're recording in 1080p video resolution, 30 frames per second, that's the maximum you get on this phone. And what we'll test first is the video stabilization. So my colleague Peter is holding the phone and recording, so he will follow me around. The phone is handheld. Let's check out the video stabilization. Let's go. So you should be able to see how well the Galaxy A30 is doing in terms of video stabilization. The next thing that we'll do is we'll move the phone up and down, see how it adjusts to different lighting, how it adjusts to the brighter skies, the darker areas of the image. Let's do this a little bit slower. Okay. Next up, I will step out of the frame so we can test the continuous autofocus feature. So see if the phone can focus on my hand and then refocus on the background. Once again, here's my hand, the background. Let's do this quicker. Let's test the speed of the continuous autofocus feature. You should be able to see if it focuses on my hand or not. And lastly, we'll zoom all the way in on my face. Let's zoom all the way. This is digital zoom, so you will have some loss in quality, and then zoom all the way back out. And this is a quick test of the video recording on the Galaxy A30. And next up, we'll also test the ultra wide angle camera. Now you can record either with the main camera or with the ultra wide camera, but the interesting thing is, and probably a bit disappointing, is that you cannot switch between the two. So once you start recording with the main camera, you're stuck with the main camera, and once you start recording with the ultra wide, you cannot switch to the main camera. So with this in mind, let's test the video stabilization. Walking slowly, the phone is handheld. Once again, check out the video stabilization with the ultra wide camera. And the quality, you should not be as good as on the main camera. You should definitely see less detail, but of course you have that wider perspective. So that's it guys, a quick test of the video cameras on the Galaxy A30.